2007 hatchback estate. Rear light, brake light bulb replacement. Go to the back, open it up, and you'll see this cover. Get the cover off and you'll see that hole. Brake lights are in here. How do you get them out? Just one I've taken out. That's the brake light and side light at the top. Clips. Well, there you go. One's broken. These ones are still intact. They press in the way. Obviously the brake, because it's a rubbish design basically. And then you have to get it back in here and clip it in. And if you have a really good look inside here, you'll see how it goes on to the little black clips in there as well. And as a bonus, I shall show you the manual, which says remove the cover, press these clips. And it tells you which ones they are as well. I put this up because I couldn't find anything. Thanks, bye.